Good day mga ka-explore! For today's vlog, usapang gulong naman tayo. Kung ano nga ba ang gulong na ginagamit natin for daily use at every time na nagta-travel tayo. Naghahanap ka ba ng murang gulong? Pwedeng pang wet and dry? Pwede sa iba't ibang types ng road at may kalidad. Walang iba kundi ang Eurogrip Tyres.
Alam niyo ba mga ka-explore na ang Eurogrip products ay naidisenyo at na-develop mismo sa Italy at manufacture ito mismo sa isa sa mga pinakamalaking planta sa India. Ang Eurogrip ay nag-produce ng quality tires para sa mga bikes like small and medium-sized engines. As you can see mga ka-explore, ini-install na ang ating Eurogrip Bee Connect Tyres. Tamang-tama mga ka-explore, at ang panahon ngayon ay tag-ulan na. Panigurado, when it comes to riding, may confidence at may safety ka. Kaya tara at samahan niyo ako para may test natin ito. Let's go! Bago ang lahat, nag-iisip pa kayo kung bakit ang pangalan niya ay Bee Connect? Then ito ang sinabi ni Miss Andrea Melilia ng Marketing Manager. Bee are known to be very hardworking. It is always on the move and seen as guardian against pollution. Kaya naman, it is a good representation ito para sa ating mga scooter riders who continuously move and connecting with people. At ito na nga, as we do a test ride, this Eurogrip tires, it provides the excellent grip and handling. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Eurogrip, it really supports during cornering. Nakita nyo, kahit rough road yung dinaanan natin, at kahit basa, we can basically handle it. Dahil sa Bee Connect tires, it has a high flexibility polymer compounds are used which make them durable. Kaya naman, we can get a uniform traction as well as wear and skid proofing. And the good thing, it provides a sufficient grip on both dry and wet road condition. Pagdating naman sa different types of roads, talagang kayang-kaya ni Eurogrip.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy.
So mga explore, ano pang inaantay nyo? Kumuha na rin kayo ng Eurogrip Tyres sa ating mga dealers. Eurogrip lang ang malakas.